Hi, it's Frank Del Rio, your favorite realtor, and we're out front of Mariposa Street here in the city of La Habra. You are getting far more than just a home with this property. You're getting the lifestyle with living here in Orange County. This is the northwest corner of Orange County with the city of La Habra. You're walking distance to some of the best schools in the Lowell Joint District. You've got Olita Elementary 2 blocks away. You've got Rancho Starbucks about 3.5 blocks. There's a West Park. You can walk to the Black Bear Diner, get breakfast with the family. You also have a Regal Theater, shopping centers. You've got Sam's Club. There's even the golf course. The Children's Museum's a couple of minutes away. You have a lot available to you in just a short distance. Now let's talk about the property. Come inside and fall in love. Welcome home, come inside. Right when you walk into Mariposa Street, you enter the dining room and kitchen combo. It opens up together, it creates this really nice space. There is over 2,000 square feet of beautiful living space. You'll notice right off the bat, it's nice, bright, open, very welcoming. And that's what I love about Mariposa Street, is you have those features. It screams home. Now the kitchen is nice and open. Countertops are a little bit lower. Most of these homes in this neighborhood were built in the late 50s, early 60s. So yes, the counter is a little bit on the shorter side, but that's okay. If you're short, this is perfect for you. If you're tall, you get the opportunity to knock this down and remake it the way you want it. But I do love how the plantation shutters and these dual pane windows create such a nice, bright, open concept in here. And then it opens up into your grand living area. Check this out. Talk about the open concept. You can do so much with this space. Our family of 6 have lots of children, so they really create this as the play area, but you can do a number of things yourself with all this space here. You've got an access outside to your side yard that will take you to the back, and then of course it opens up into your dining room. Now, you can keep this space the way it is, or what a lot of folks are doing, they're knocking down this wall, creating a center island, and now you have a grand open concept that everyone can enjoy. You've got massive windows that keeps that natural sunshine pouring in, so lots of consistency there, and then just a really picturesque fireplace mantle. Can you imagine the holidays, Christmas time? You've got the stockings lined up right here, the Christmas tree. I mean, you see it. When you've got a family, this is the perfect setting. And then you go right into your family room. Let's go check it out. We're down here in the family room. Now this family room has a lot of functions. You can use it, the space for entertaining, for gatherings, or just hanging out with the family. I love how there is a separation though from the big open living room space, but you can also customize it together. You've got room for a 60-inch television. You can go bigger. You want to put an 80-inch? You can do that and still have plenty of seating back here for everybody to enjoy. You've got a downstairs closet. Our clients are currently using this as their storage for the kids' supplies. They're doing homeschooling, which a lot of folks are doing right now. You do have direct garage access. I'm not gonna open this door because like a lot of our families living in their homes, this is where all the storage and the packing goes right now, but you can fit 2 generous sized cars. They actually have 1 car in there now, along with storage for packing because we're gonna be moving. And then you have the downstairs powder room bathroom. Perfect for when you're having parties, events, or get-togethers. People don't have to go upstairs. What I do love about this family room is you have access to your backyard where all the fun happens. And there's a nice big 8-foot slider there, but let's go back upstairs. We have to see upstairs and then we'll go outside. Upstairs, we've got 3 spacious bedrooms. Your master suite comes with an amazing balcony that you can step outside and enjoy that backyard. You've got 2 generous sized bedrooms. All the property has plantation shutters surrounding the bedrooms as well. And there's a really neat whole house fan. The whole house fan, if you're not familiar with that, it's a way to suck up all the hot air in the house, blows it right out through the attic, and then you can enjoy the cool breeze at night, opening up all your windows. If you don't want to run your electricity, you have that option too. The upstairs bathroom has been completely redone and it's super cute. You're gonna love it. I will meet you in the backyard. Did you enjoy upstairs? Isn't that perfect? Those nice bedrooms, generous size. We're here in the backyard. This is where all the fun happens. The excitement, the entertainment goes down here in the backyard. You've got this beautiful covered patio. This is Aluma wood, so you don't have to worry about wood rot, dry rot if it was a wood structure. I love how they set up the tea lights up here because at night it sets the stage. You've got stamped concrete, a nice side gate out here, and then walk with me. Look at all of this space. You've got this generous backyard with plenty of lush green grass. They've got the jungle gym set up for the kids. I mean, come on, what more do you want? If you got kiddos, they are gonna die when they see this. But what's also cool, let's say they outgrow this, because the children do. Having 3 beautiful troublemaking kids myself, I know this is true. You have room to put a pool in. So you get space to do what you want, make it your own. That wonderful balcony up there, you can see down to your grounds. And I love how you can still see inside because you got these 2 gigantic windows looking into your property. Plus, beautiful greenery and coverage here with the green foliage gives you that peaceful, secure privacy. There's so much you can do out here. You've got space to put in a spa if you don't want to do the pool. You can also put in an outdoor kitchen area, which is perfect for more entertaining. One of my favorite things about all of this space is you can customize it to what you want, or you can enjoy what's here. You get the best of both worlds. I really enjoyed this backyard. Let's recap. How fun was that? This tour of Mariposa Street, wow, I mean, it just screams family. Look, the big beautiful tree out front with the swing. Imagine your kids pushing them here, up and down, creating amazing memories. I mean, you really get all of that. Not to mention this gorgeous circular driveway. You can fit anywhere from 8 to 9 cars, and it's all yours. Let's recap. 3 spacious bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and not to mention over 2,000 square feet of living space. You're situated on the perfect corner lot in a great neighborhood, walking distance to the park, the best schools, shopping, dining, eating, entertainment, and you're in North Orange County. So you still get the rest of Orange County and all that it has to offer. The beaches, the amusement parks, the sporting venues, you name it. This is the kind of lifestyle you have here and this great property. You want to see the home. Personally, I'd love to share it with you. 714-335-0844. You can call me or you can text me, and I would love to be a part of this process with you. Have a great day.